Hey kids, have you ever yawned during class or while watching TV? Well, today we are going to find out why do we yawn. Let's explore together. What is a yawn? Answer: a yawn is when you open your mouth wide, take a deep breath, and sometimes even stretch. It happens to everyone: babies, kids, parents, even animals like dogs and lions. Now, why do we yawn? Scientists are not 100% sure, but here are some cool ideas. Number 1. Cooling the brain. Yawning might help cool your brain down, just like a fan cools your face. Number 2. Getting more oxygen. When we are sleepy or bored, we do not breathe as deeply. Yawning helps bring in more fresh air. Number 3. Stretching and waking up. It helps stretch your face and neck muscles. It's like a mini workout for your head. Did you know yawning is contagious? When one person yawns, others might start yawning too. Even watching someone yawn can make you yawn. Did you just yawn while watching this? Comment below if you did. Did you know animals yawn too? Yes, animals yawn too, even snakes and birds. You can yawn when you are tired, bored, or even just thinking about yawning. So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of waking up or cooling down. At the end, I have a mini question for you. Is yawning your brain cooling off? Write your answer in comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun. Bye bye.